Mike Child from Clinton City Public Works. I'm the Public Works Director. Challenges when it comes to preserving pavement. Well, obviously, funding is probably the biggest issue. Have to make the most of the resources that we have. I guess also is the challenge of deciding which product to use or which treatment to use for which street. Um, we always go through and survey our streets and try to make a determination as to which product to use. Um, I guess then we always have the public perception of the value that they're getting on the streets that they have. Everybody in town is well aware of the fact that they pay taxes and they want the most from their tax dollar on what we put down on the street. So they're interested in getting their money's worth. So over the years, we've used a lot of conventional slurry treatments, type 2 mainly on our residential streets, one on type 1 on parking lots and trails where we need a smoother surface. We also do a lot of crack sealing. We haven't done chip sealing for several years mainly because of the cleanup and mess associated with it. Lately we've used some HA5 or high density mineral bond. One, it looked like it could provide us with a really tight surface that would eliminate the water penetration and help us on the freeze-thaw cycle, which has destroyed so many of our other applications that we put on. Also, it's got its place. You can't use it on a road that's too old or in too poor a condition. So we had some roads that were relatively new, and so we decided to give it a shot on those roads as an experiment and to see how it would work for us. It was affordable, it was good cost, so we laid it down in a place where we normally would have went with a conventional slurry seal type 2, and so now we're in experimental mode now, seeing how well it's going to last. So far we're pleased with it. And obviously it hasn't been down long enough that I could give them a really solid evaluation. But in the time that it's been down, the surface is extremely tight. My recommendation to another agency would be that it's a solid product, well worth the money, at least so far. And if we get the time that we're expecting out of it, then it's definitely something that we'll reuse again in the future.